Backyard crew, we back, man. We got another one today. So what I was thinking about doing today is I saw in Walmart they have like these little beef riblets, almost like a miniature beef rib. So I think we're gonna try that out today. So take a ride with me. We're gonna ride down to Wally World and get the goods and head back here and find the old Brazos. Stick with me, fam. All right, team, we here at Wally World, so I'm walking here and get our ribs, and hopefully they got them. So if they don't have them, we'll have to change plans, but I think they're gonna have them. So stick with me, team. What's up, backyard crew? So we were successful. Yeah, so I got the beef chuck riblets. They had some beef like back riblet type deal, but they didn't really have too much meat on them. So we're gonna pick the one that's got a little more meat. So today we're gonna use the Kinder's blend, and of course white pepper. I gotta put some more in there. So stick with me, team. I'm gonna get them seasoned up. I may give you a few clips of the seasoning, but I think you guys know how that works. But I'm gonna get the pit fired up, and hey, we're gonna sit and kind of hang out today and smoke some beef ribs. Stay tuned. All right, team. Hey, just wanted to let you guys take a peek at these. I mean, this is from Walmart. It's the chuck riblets, as they call them. I think I'm gonna take. I don't know if I'm even gonna bother. I'm just gonna score the membrane part right here. So let's just do a little slight trim, but they look pretty decent. Here's the other one. It's a little thinner, but it's for the fam. So stay with me, team. Just patting them down, guys. Just doing a real quick pat down. You guys notice I kind of scored my membranes. I didn't really remove them. It's kind of a beef, I guess. You can kind of keep it on there pretty decent. I think I'll start this side first. But stick with me, team. Just using a mustard binder, guys. Nothing fancy. Now you gotta know I said I wasn't gonna show you, but hey, what the heck? Nothing wrong with showing you a little more footage. Might help somebody else out on what they like to do, or maybe help them in their journey with barbecuing. So simple. I always like to start with a simple base, and salt, pepper, garlic is always a good one. Or just use it solely, however you feel. I'm just add a little bit more pepper. I don't need much on this side, but I got those cuts in the membrane, so it should hopefully get seasoning down into the meat. So do the other side, and we're gonna go out there and fire the pit up. All right, guys, here we go. Just simple salt, pepper, and garlic. We're gonna throw them on the pit with a little bit of white oak, and I think that's all I got out there is white oak. But stay with me, guys. We're gonna get it fired up. Yeah, just kind of cleaning out my grates real quick. And hey, if you haven't got any, man, hey, this stuff here was a citrus safe, man. Only spray it on there when it's like cold or like a cool grate. But spray that little guy on there, and I got a little agitator I'll put on there in a second. So guys, here's a little agitator. You just after you kind of let it sit for a little second or so, just get in there and kind of scrub it down good. This top one, I can kind of get up underneath it, but not really a big deal. And, get up in there, agitate it up, scrub it down. And then we'll come back with like a wet kind of shop towel and kind of wipe it down. I do need to get in here and do a deep clean, so maybe that'd be one of my next videos is I get in there and do a deep clean on my smoker. It's been a while. I gotta get in there and just scrub everything out, but stay with me, team. We're gonna have this thing fired up soon. Guys, got me a little wet rag here, just gonna wipe the surface down. Actually, you can almost see it when it comes off. It's pretty fairly clean. I want to keep some of the flavor on there, right? But just wiping all the old cook bits off just for now. The other side down here at the bottom. Kind of almost see it coming alive almost, And since it's beef, I'm not really too pressed about spraying oil on it. When I do my deep clean next, I'll just really, hose it down with the oil. But that's it, guys. We're gonna get this coal lit up and start cooking. Backyard crew, we're back. So we're just got our charcoal in, and now we're just gonna throw some of our oak in there. I like oak, and I kind of like to create like a little crosshatch and to get the first set of wood going. Sort of like that. And let it get fired up. And while she warms up, we're just gonna kind of hang out. Might get a cigar and a light drink. Stay with me, team. Hey, team. Hey, just while I'm out here, I want to give you a quick heads up on how I do like my fire management. I'm putting my glove on real quick. So what I like to do, and if you got a Brazos, so my next split that I'll probably throw on, I like to let it pre-warm. So I like to kind of tuck it right in here, right inside a little well there. So she'll get heated up and start to take on a flame as soon as I put it in there. But yeah, that's kind of one of the things I do, and I'll put one on the other side as well. But it's kind of something where that V-bottom basket that I have in there, kind of really helped me out. Now, on one of my last videos, I think it was the wine mop ribs, I actually kind of showcased that guy. But you know, I'm not sure if that company is still around, but go check out the other video, and I had some links in the description. Check it out, so if you're interested in it. So that's one of my steps I do for fire management, and it seems to work out well. So like I said, what we're doing right now, we're just letting the kind of coal bed start and get the first few logs getting warmed up, and so we can start smoking. So all right, team, stick with me. Okay, guys, we got our riblets. We're gonna put them on here. That's big. Put this one up here, so it's smaller. Last one down back here. Okay. We got them laid in there. We're gonna shut her down. All right, guys, we're about, where we at here? About 223. So we're gonna let her roll for about an hour first before we can get the shade so you can see. We're gonna let it roll for about an hour, and hopefully see how they go. If it turn out good, we're gonna probably spritz them with just a typical, just a little apple juice spritz, nothing too crazy. But so stick with me. We're gonna get a cigar lit up and just kind of hang tight for about an hour for our first spritz. Thanks, guys. Hey, Backyard Crew. So we're waiting on our meat to smoke and do what it's got to do, put all the love together, and just fired up a cigar. This is was it Macanudo? It's one of their Inspirado blends, and it's pretty nice. So just kind of thought I'd start a little, I don't know, a little part of my segment here. If you guys are cigar smokers, and I don't condone smoking, but if you're a grown man, you pay taxes, you work every day, I think you know, do what you like to do. But tell me one that you like in your comments, and maybe get to a point, get enough comments so we can start trying one out for every video I do. So stay with me, team. Let me know in the comments if you like that idea or not, and hey, we'll keep rolling and keep smoking. All right, stay tuned. All right, Backyard Crew, we're back. So we're gonna do our first spritz. This is just simple apple juice and a little bit of water. So let's get down there and see what they look like. Man, look at him. Nice color. Look at that. It's hard to see. I gotta loosen it up, so tighten it up on there. Tighten it up a little bit. There we go. A nice red color to them. Look at them. Now we got a little bit of bones coming out there, especially on the top there. All right, guys, we're gonna close it up. Close it up. So set it for another hour, and I'll check back with you. Hey, Backyard Crew, we back, man. So this is second hour here. So let's see what they're looking like. Man, look at that. Look at that, guys. Throw a little spritz. Oh, they're looking gorgeous. So I think what we're gonna do, I think I'm gonna put them in the oven and let them slowly tenderize a little bit. I'm probably gonna give them another hour here in the smoke, and hey, we're gonna throw them in the oven, get them nice and tender, fall off the bone. So stick with me, team. Backyard crew, we're back. I'm gonna bring you one of the pans of ribs here. Show them to you. There we go. Yes, sir. Looking nice. Looking nice. Looking nice. See in there. Oh yeah. Got full pull back on them. So what I'll do next is just give them a little slice, and we're gonna be ready to eat. Here's the other batch. All looking the same. Real good. Nice and tender. Guys, you need you one of these, guys. One of these Dahlstrom knives. I'm gonna bring it out here so you can see it. Comes in a really nice case here. Bring it out so you can see it a little better. Comes in a really nice case here, guys. Real nice. That's what we're gonna use to carve our ribs with. So stand by. All right, team, let's get the carving here. Let's see what we got. This one came right off the bone, it looks like. Nice. Nice color. Look at the smoke ring. Nice smoke ring. There you go. Nice smoke ring. Nice color. Really nice color. Good smoke ring.